Okay, a day after I filmed this, I wanted to use it. Instead, it quit working after about an hour, and then I turned it back on. It worked for about an hour, quit. Then adjusted the timer setting and had it running for about 4 hours, and then quit. And now it's doing this. Let me show you again. Let me get closer up. You turn it on. It beeps. So yeah, something is wrong. And for the record, the TV is on. It's like, gee, Wally, why is this fan not working? It worked last time we saw it. I know that's not Wally, that's Dad, but point is, you get the idea. The TV is on, so I guess I'm going to have to take this apart and see what is the problem. And if it'll ever work again, which I am very, very doubtful now. Because I'm doubting myself. Well, that was kind of a waste. There's only one screw, and that goes into the plug-in thing. I honestly thought, hey, 3 screws, pop it off and see what happens, but I guess not. Maybe if I get another screwdriver, I might be able to try something. Who knows? Because I like this fan. It's convenient, it blows a ton of air, has a remote, hate the oscillator, but that's minor. So, let me get the other screwdriver and see what happens. Could be loose, who knows? Yeah. Like I said, the area around that chip where the plug goes in, that I did that. But the chip inside is loose. That's why I couldn't make any good contact. Which sucks, because I actually had this working perfect after I filmed it. And then, well, not really, but either way it was working. And now it's not working. So it kind of makes you wonder why people donate this shit, because they don't either work or whatever. And other than me hacking and slashing this thing and seeing what I can do, I'm out of ideas. Which sucks, 'cause I like this fan. It's a unique fan. It's so unique in a way I don't know why even... Well, either way, I don't know. I just don't know. So I guess that's that. The dead Opolar fan, which had promise. And something I've noticed, that if it was current going in, it'd be charging. But since it's not charging, it's dead. All because this little jack right here, I think I made it worse. So I might just put this in the... Might work. I might put in the... Okay, let me rephrase this before I get all pissy. The thing don't work. I might put this in the pile where I may fix it, or I may junk it. I don't know anymore. The point is, I don't know. I got too many things going on, and I just don't want to have another problem on my hands. If I find another one like this, I'll probably get it. Or get that one that JK18 showed off. I don't know. And of course, I need the coffee. So that's why things have not been going right, because I need coffee. You know the drill. Till next time, thanks for watching. Box is open.